Today I will discuss about large capacity air fryer. Air fryers can be compared to small ovens that crisp up wings, fries, veggies, and air-fried recipes with little, or zero, oil. They come in several different styles, including basket style, which is great for large batches of foods, like fries and vegetables that benefit from shaking, oven style, which is ideal for cooking food, on numerous shelves and often feature rotisserie accessories, and toaster oven styles, which can toast, bake, broil, and more in addition to air fry. Product link in the description. Best for large capacity air fryer. 1. Cosori Air Fryer Max XL 100 Recipes, Digital Hot Oven Cooker, 1 touch screen with 13 cooking functions, preheat, and shake reminder, 5.8 QT, black. 2. GoWise USA 1700 watt 5.8 QT 8-in-1 digital air fryer with recipe book, black. 3. New Wave Brio 15.5 quart large capacity air fryer oven plus grill, probe, 2 stainless steel racks, drip tray, rotisserie kit, 100 programmed presets, sear, stage, preheat, delay, warm, rotisserie. 4. Philips Kitchen Appliances Digital Twin Turbo Star Air Fryer Double XL, with fat removal technology, 3 pounds, black, HT 9650-96. Product link in the description.